Hi British Vogue, it's Charlie XCX and this is what's in my bag. The bag is open, wait. Take two. Hi British Vogue, it's Mrs. M and this is what's in my bag. I like that take better. Yeah, this bag is so beautiful. I have wanted this for the longest time. Jumping right in, get comfortable, girl. I know you're a girl because my demographic says you're 100% girl, so get in, my love. Okay, this bag has been on my wish list for the longest time. You know, if you're a girly girl, you know this is the perfect bag for everything. Like, it's so pretty, it matches anything, it matches any occasion you're going for. It's very spacious, it has double flaps. If you want a link to this bag, and it is way cheaper than you think, check out my description box. Okay, there's a new policy on here, so I can't mention names and such, but if you know, you know. Check the description box for this bag, you need it. Let's get into what's in my bag. Okay, this bag is so beautiful. The quality, the craftsmanship is so beautiful. Okay,
I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get?
first flap, second flap. Isn't this very gorgeous? Again, way more affordable than you may think. At first glance, this is what's in my bag. Okay, we have my phone. I want to show you how spacious this bag is. Count with me. My phone, my eyeglasses, really quickly. Miu Miu, I love them so much. They fit so many of my looks. They're so me, you know, they're so like me. They're so me. I love it so much. So it always goes with me. Most times I have this in my bag, and I have my Sony tripod stand. Amazing, because I'm a content creator. My camera is what I'm filming on right now, but my case is in there. I have a charger. Very realistic bag, isn't it? What's one thing you can't do without in your bag? I also have a mirror for touch-ups. So pretty. I love it. Like, it has two sides to it. I love it so much. A girl always needs mirrors. If I have makeup on, I'll have makeup in my bag, like powder for touch-ups. I have this light. No. Content creator in me. I also have this clip. And then to the pockets now. So those are what are in my main. So those are what are in the main part. There's also a pocket here. Gosh. And then here. Okay, now we're going to this pocket, these two pockets here. Let me know if you want to see me do more of these videos, because I do love them. This is SMW by Samantha. It's a lip butter. I love it so much. I also have Tom Tom for your fresh breath. Hello. I also have this Huda Beauty lip contour stain. It is amazing. It does not let you're kissed, you're hugged, you're eating, you're sucking, whatever you're doing. This It's not going anywhere. This stays put, okay? I love it so much from Huda Beauty. It does not go anywhere. Gosh, just let it dry as you apply. Don't apply anything on your face, even your sunscreen. Just apply it and let it dry. As in, blend it before it dries. And then once it dries, it's not going to go nowhere, okay? Next thing is my perfumes. Perfumes are important to me. I have 2 perfumes in my bag. This bag is so big. It carries 2. The first one is this Kylie Valina 28 perfume. I love it so much. I'm actually going to put a little bit. So these are my touch-up perfumes. I don't usually have these small perfumes like when I use them at home. Oh, it smells so good. But these are like when I've been out about, like in the club, because this is a night out bag. That's why I don't have sunscreen in it. I'm trying to go on a night out. Does that make sense? So if I were to go out in the day, I would have sunscreen, but that's another video. I want to share so much with you, so just let me know. Let's do girl stuff together on this channel. Enough of the seriousness. Anyway, I love this one. This is the second thing that is in my bag. It's Kylie, and it's the atomizer. In here I have mixed my favorite perfumes, to be honest with you. I just have a nose for perfume, so this is like my little playpen, and I just have everything in here. I just love it so much. Love it. This current combo bangs, I know. So in here I put in my very long lasting perfumes. I do a very nice mix in. And sometimes I don't even know what I put in. This smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I know there's definitely Alien in here, but I don't know what else. Maybe Gucci Bloom. Oh, but it smells so good. Like, yeah. And that's it. Let me know what's in your bag, or what's something that you love having in your bag. Leave a comment down below. Do we have anything similar in this bag? Leave a comment down below. I'm going to see you in my next vlog, I'm going to see you in my next video, Butterfly. Let me know what you think of my new bag, because I just launched her. Hello. We're wearing our bags every day. Every day is a special occasion. Okay, so we're wearing her every day. Bye.